So like this. So for the in the first row it will print one element, and for the next row it will print two elements, because j is equal to 6 greater than or equal to 6 greater than or equal to 6. This condition is true, right? So it will print 6 element also. Step over. See. Next 6 minus 1 5, right? Now 5 greater than or equal to 6. This condition fails, that's why it will come to the next line. So if you see here row input value, I value and j value, how they are varying. Now for I equal to 5, j will print up to 5 element, and it will come out from the loop after that. And for I equal to 4, j will print up to 4, means 7 6 5 4, and it will come to the outer loop. And for I equal to 4, j is equal to 7 greater than or equal to 4. This is true, so it will print 4 element. For I equal to 3, it will print 7 6 5 4 3. So j is equal to 7 greater than or equal to I value is 3, right? This condition is true, so it will print 3 element. Now it will print j is 7, right? First 7 element printed. After that 7 minus 1 6 greater than or equal to 3, right? So 6 greater than or equal to 3, 5 greater than or equal to 3, 4 greater than or equal to 3, 3 greater than or equal to 3. Up to 3 it will print, and 3 minus 1 2 greater than or equal to 3. This condition fails, right? So till that 7 6 5 4 3 it will print. After that it will come out from the loop, and in the last row it is going to print 7 6 5 4 3. So this is how it works. So all we have to remember is we have to see what is the last. Wait, still not last row is not finished. So the termination will stop after printing last row. So for each pattern we have to check what is the last element in each row. So if you observe last element in each row 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, they are in the decreasing order. That's why you have to write I minus minus, and I is starting from maximum element 7. So I equal to row, so you have to declare, and I greater than or equal to 1, I minus minus. And next inner loop, if you observe how the elements are printing in each row, they are in the decreasing order, right? So that's why you have to write j minus minus, and j should start from maximum element 7. So that's why j equal to rows, j greater than or equal to I, j minus minus. So like this we have to observe how to take I and j values for inner loop and outer loop. Okay, next we will see so now pattern 6 we will see how we'll see another pattern. So you understand, right, how this pattern will print. I'm giving 7 as input. Set pattern. So this is pattern. And for pattern 5, the output is this one. So we have to observe how to take I and j values. So you have to observe this pattern. In the each row, the last element 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. In each row, the last elements are in the decreasing order. So that's why you have to take I minus minus. I should start from maximum element. So that's why we have taken I equal to rows, I greater than or equal to 1, I minus minus. And next, in each row, how the elements are printing, they are in the decreasing order, right? In each row, how the elements are printing, that should be decided by inner loop. So that's why I have taken j equal to rows, j greater than or equal to I, j minus minus. As they are in the decreasing order, we have written j minus minus. So like this, for I equal to 1, inner loop will, for I equal to 1, inner loop should, j should repeat I times, and it should print one element. Means for I equal to 1, it should, inner loop should repeat for one time, and it should print one element. For I equal to 2, inner loop means here I is in decreasing order, right? So for I equal to means for I equal to means second row, for I equal to like that means for I equal to 7, inner loop should repeat for one time, so that can print one element. And for I equal to 6, it inner loop should print for 2 times, inner loop should repeat for 2 times, and it should print 2 elements, 7 and 6. And for I equal 5, inner loop should print 3 elements. For I equal 4, inner should repeat for 4 times, and it should print 4 elements. So whatever may be the pattern, we have to observe how the last elements in each row. Here the last elements in each row are in the decreasing order, so we are writing I minus minus. And in each row the elements are in the decreasing order, that's why I have written j minus minus. That's it. Next, for pattern 6, we will observe debug. We will run the program. We'll guess how the output will be. See, so suppose if I am entering 7 from the keyboard, input is 7, n equal to 7. So for I equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 7, this is true, right? So it will come to inner loop, and j is equal to 7, 7 greater than or equal to 1, this condition is true, right? So it will print 7, and up to 7 greater than or equal to 1 means 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. It will print up to 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, up to 1 means this many times, 7 times this loop will repeat, and it will print in the first row. It is going to print 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, because j greater than or equal to I means 7 greater than or equal to 1. and 7 greater than or equal to 1. This condition is true up to 1 greater than or equal to 1, right? So it's going to print 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 in the first row, like that. So if you see now output, see, it's going to, like this is the output. So if you observe this pattern in the each row, as we discussed earlier, in each row we have to observe what is the last element in the each row. 1 2 3 4 5, right? Last element in each row is in the increasing order. That's why we have written here I plus plus. And how the elements in the each row 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, they are in the decreasing order, right? That's why I have written J minus minus, like this. So for any pattern we have to observe the last elements in each row. The last elements in each row 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? The last elements in each row are in the increasing order. That's why we have written I plus plus. Means how the I value is deciding is, we have to observe the last element in each row, and we have to start with the, see, they are in the increasing order, right? 1 2 3 4 5. That's why I plus plus means I should start from the last element, right? See here I equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So that's why we are taking the I equal to 1. We are starting from the value 1, I equal to 1. And next in each row 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, these elements, adjacent elements are in a decreasing order, right? And the first element is in maximum number, means 7, right? And that's why we have assigned j to the n, right? J greater than or equal to I. So this loop should fail till 1, right? 7 greater than or equal to 1, 6 greater than or equal to 1, like that. So these elements, as these elements are in decreasing order, we are writing this J minus minus. Now we will debug and see how it will work. Debug, guys. So many elements. So many elements you want to print. I am giving 7. See, this is the pattern, right? Oh, okay. It has not started. Okay, we have to put debug points. Okay, now we will start in the debug. I am giving 5 as input. See, if you observe here, n value is 5, means I entered 5 from the keyboard. So sc dot next int is going to assign to n variable, that is n is equal to 5. So now for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to I plus, means now I equal to 1. 1 is less than or equal to 5, right? This condition is true, so it will go to the inner loop. And for int j equal to 5, right? J equal to 5 now, and 5 greater than or equal to 1. Yes, this condition is true. That's why it's going to print it's going to print 5 element. So if you observe, step over I am doing, it's going to print 5, and next 5 minus 1 4. So up to which element it's going to be in a inner loop is till 1 value, means now j is 5, right? 5 greater than or equal to 1, 4 greater than or equal to 1, 3 greater than or equal to 1, 2 greater than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to 1, up to that this condition is going to be true, right? So it will be going to be in the inner loop, and it's going to print 5 4 3 2 1 in the first row. Say 4 3 2 1 2, and the next element is 1. After that 1 greater than or equal to 1 also true, right? So it will print. After that 1 minus minus, this condition is going to fail, and it's going to come outside of the inner loop, and it will come to next line, and again I is going to start. So now I equal to 1, n equal to 5, and I equal to 1, and as I plus plus, now I equal to 2, so j is equal to 5, 5 greater than or equal to 2, 4 greater than or equal to 2, 3 greater than or equal to 2 greater than or equal. So it's going to print 5 4 3 2 in the next row. After that inner loop going to fail, that's why it's coming to the next line, and after that j equal to 5, right? 5 greater than or equal to I value is now I value is 3, right? 5 greater than or equal to 3 up to means 5 4 3, it's going to print in the third row. After 3 j minus minus, right? 3 minus 1 2, 2 greater than or equal to 3, right? This condition fails, so it will come to the next line. See, like that it's going to repeat up to last element. So so for I equal to 5, j equal to 5, 5 greater than or equal to 5, so it's going to print only one element. So 4 greater than or equal to 5, this condition false, so it will print only one element in the last row, and it will come out from the loop. So for any pattern, we have to observe the last element in each row. How the last element in each row we have to observe. Here the last element in each row are in the increasing order, that's why I have written I plus plus, and in each row the starting element is 5, but the last element in the each row is in the increasing order and starting from 1, right? So we have given I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 1, I plus plus, and how the elements are in each row, they are in the decreasing order, right? That's why I have written j minus minus. And so in each row the element is starting from 5, right? So j equal to n we have written, that's why in each row how the elements are in the decreasing order, and the elements is starting from n, so we have declared j equal to n, j greater than or equal to j minus minus. So for each pattern we have to observe how to take I and j values, whether they are decreasing or increasing, and depending on that we have to write the loop. This is how these two patterns will work. If you have any doubts, comment please. Thank you.